So I said I would do an unboxing when I got the package from the Frantic Stamper, and it just comes in a priority mailer, and then it's in between two other pieces to make it sturdy. And that's just the thing. So it all comes in this package. I can get it open, and as you can tell, there is a lot of stuff in here. So we've got an instruction sheet, it looks like. So it comes with this instruction sheet, just some cards that you can copy if you want to do so. So there's several different cards that kind of give you directions on how to make them. And then this one's kind of cool because it gives you directions, and then it has a template for this 3-tiered birthday cake, which is kind of cool. So you get that. I'm going to go ahead and go through the paper because it's kind of cool. So you got 8.5 by 11 paper. You've got a piece of gold, a piece of blue foil. Isn't that gorgeous? A piece of kind of a magenta color, very pretty. And then you have some cardstock. It's a decent weight, so you've got a piece of pink cardstock, a piece of, this is like a specialty paper. It's kind of got a sheen to it, but it's not a foil. And then you've got this piece of white cardstock. You've also got several smaller sheets. So you've got this kind of a sparkly foil paper, and then you've got a gold, and I don't know if this is a sticker. Oh, okay, so this is a sticker, a piece of sticker. I don't believe this is, though. Oh, they both are. So these are like really big sticker sheets, which is awesome. So those two are sticker sheets. And then we've got another piece of foil paper. I don't know if this is a sticker sheet also. I can't. This is a sticker sheet. So this is a sticker sheet also. That is very cool. Very, very cool. I have so many ideas for this. So you've got that. And then you've got some 6x6 papers. And it doesn't say what these brands are, but I will see if I can find. Isn't that cute? So this is kind of a birthday themed pack right here. So we've got that paper, and then that, and then some dots, and then some pretty florals. Really, really pretty, actually. So we've got this that has some wording on it. Really pretty pink paper. This is really cute. And we've got an orange piece of cardstock, it looks like, with some polka dots. A yellow piece is a plain. A blue, kind of a little bit of a textured piece. We've got a chevron pattern, and that, geometric, and that's a cute pattern, and then these cute balloons, and then this really pretty paper right there. So you get those. You also get envelopes. So these are, we have 2 white envelopes, 2 pink envelopes, and 2 kind of envelopes with kind of a sheen on them. And then you get this piece. This is a foam board. It doesn't look like it's adhesive. I'm not quite sure what to do with this. It's like foam. It's really heavy duty foam. Like, it's very hard to bend. But I'm not sure if that's just packaging or that's part of the kit. I'm not sure. All right, and then we have let's see, how many do we have? So we've got several doilies. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 doilies. And then we've got this embellishment pack that has just a lot of stuff in it. So we've got this big bottle cap. That is probably, that's about 1.5 inches across. So this big bottle cap. We've got this wooden doily. We've got a piece of ribbon that's red with some gold on the outside. This really pretty color ribbon with some gold on the outside. Then we've got some pink and white twine. These really pretty flower fabric roses. There's 3 of those. Then we've got some little sparkly pink adhesive dots. There's several brads. I'm going to go ahead and leave that out for now. We've got this really pretty ribbon with butterflies. We've got several more ribbon. We've got a pink. This is probably about 1 foot of ribbon. We've got a pink. We've got a yellow. We've got a pack of little buttons. Very cute. I think somebody made a card out of these paper straws, or candles out of these. So there's 3 paper straws. And then there's several little tiny gold brads. I'm just going to leave them in there so there's 4 of those. And then let's do the stamp sets. So the first stamp set is, they're polymer stamps. So these are Frantic Stamper stamps and made in the USA, which is awesome. But look at these stamps: wishes, wishing, and then a bunch of different birthday fonts. And this goes with this die set. So you also get this layering die. So you also get the layering die that goes with these 2 words. So you have the actual word, and then you have the layer part, or the outside portion. So that goes together, but isn't that cool? And then there is this stamp set. These are polymer stamps again. Really cute. You've got the candles, some birthday sentiments. So you've got that. Oh no. And then you've got this cake die. So you have this little cake die with a candle. So that's pretty cool. And that's 2 by 2 1/4. So we've got that. And actually, I don't know if they sent me 2 of these. I'll have to ask them about that. These are the same. I don't think I was supposed to get 2 of them. So I got, so it's another die, and this is a 5 by 3 3/4 die. So it's going to cut out all these triangles. Very cool. And like I said, I think they sent me this on accident. We'll have to contact them. But look at all this stuff you get. Like 2 stamp sets, all these 3 dies. The papers, everything is very cool. I'm very impressed. So And if I will contact the company about this extra die that they sent me, and I will probably give it away if they don't request to send it back. So again, this is the February kit, and last I checked, there was 33 available. I will leave a link below to the website where you can purchase this kit if you are interested. And I will also be making a process video for the cards that I create using the items in this kit. Super cool. So if you are interested, I would encourage you to check it out. And that is it. Thanks so much